To fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your Google Play Store. Now what you have to do is to select this option which says update. Tap on it. So you have to tap on update, and after tapping on update, you're going to get your app updated to the latest version of it. And after that, what you have to do again is to go to your phone settings. So tap on your phone settings to open it. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. Tap on the See Your Apps. After that, what you have to do is to search for the name of the app, which is ADP Mobile. Tap on it. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notification and make sure this show notification is turned on. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your force stock, then you tap on OK. So now go back. So when you go back, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. After that, tap on mobile network, then select the network you're using. After selecting the network, scroll down and tap on advanced. Scroll again and tap on preferred network type, and make sure you select 4G/3G/2G or 2. When you select this option, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Now tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.